po kailangan pang pumunta ng pasyente or kamag-anak sa PhilHealth. Meron po kami ng mga in-educate doon sa mga hospital claims processor na binibigyan lang po namin silang, ang tawag po namin doon is PMRF. PMRF, in layman's term, it's an registration form. Nakukunin lang nila sa hospital, they fill it up, and then submit it sa claims processing unit sa hospital. The claims processing unit will email into PhilHealth or through Viber, Messenger, or email, and then PhilHealth will process it to ensure we submit it within the day or the following day, and then submit to you the number plus the member data record. And then, once na-submit na namin sa hospital, automatic na po pwede ka na mag-avail ng PhilHealth.